Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Parking. No, backwards, girl. Yeah. So, I'm going. Oh dear, the horses. They must turn in this way. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we're doing a role play with our dog. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, and give us a huge thumbs up. So let's get before we start, we need to follow our Instagram. Let's play Mighty. Okay, let's get started. Okay, have you parked, chick? Yeah, I have. I'm still having trouble parking my car. Let's get out the boing. At least it's parked. Get out of the car. Okay, unbuckle the belt. I'm gonna out I come. We're gonna open the door now. 3, 2, 1. The car! Boop. Wow. Car. So, we're gonna quickly set this up. Move the picnic table down the floor and here. And the gummies. This here. Our little pet turtles. Aww. Our toys. Put them back in the water. Put them back on the sea. Put our pet turtles. Put them in the pool. Time to take a tour. So over here is the picnic table. Take your bag off the chair. It's a decoration. Oh my goodness. And some water. You can see. And then this is our pool where we keep our pet turtles and our toys. And for dessert we're having gummies. And these are our beach chairs and our VR headset. And these are our pets. And right through here is where you drive. Let's where you drive, of course. Let's twist this car around to show scenes. Oopsies. This is scene number 2. So over here we have a campfire. Right. And our kitchen. And look, there's a special button. Something can happen. Beep. Look, it's a table. It's now a table. We press the button again. Beep. It turns back into a campfire. Oops, the radio. And don't forget the toilet. And this is our kitchen where we cook. With the little fridge. And up it goes. And our toilet seat. Up. Oh, there's no frying pan in there. Close the toilet up. It's time to eat. Oh, yeah. Wait, I think we forgot to do something. Our beds, we need to make them. Okay, press the button. And down this goes. A little shelf. This is meant to be a toddler bed, but we don't have any toddlers. This is one seat for us. And here's all the pillows right there. And look, okay, let's eat our food now. So I'm gonna cook some food. Let me sit here. Oopsies. Let's get the frying pan out. I want to cook today. Okay. And I'm going to take these sausages and cook these at the campfire. These sausages. And I have the spatula. And here is the frying pan.
Still has omelette stuff.
Guys, guess what we're having for dessert? Gummies and juice. Okay, I'll go get some water at the shops as our plumbing doesn't work yet. I gotta go. Bye. I'll be back soon. Need to get water because our plumbing doesn't work. So now it's time. And I'm gonna make some dinner. Okay, I need to get some eggs. And over here, I'm cooking some sausages for you. You see these yummy sausages cooking on the campfire. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. 1 hour later. All done. The sausages are. I'm back, and I got a big bottle of soda. Why did it take you 1 hour?
Hey, the shop was full.
And plus, I had to go to 3 different shops.
And look at all the eggs.
I'm gonna put them on the plates.
Right, let's put this away. No.
Everybody sit down at the table and take that bag away from that seat.
I'll sit here.
I'll sit here. Where the bag sit?
You sit where the bag is.
Yeah, of course. I have to sit in the bag. I want to grab something and eat.
And this is the cup I'm having. A nice clear blue cup.
Just eat. You don't need to show everything.
Oh, and I've got my cup.
Can I have a sausage, please? Yeah, why not?
Here. Here's the sausage.
Hey, can I have one of those? Can I have some water, please?
I made some soda.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Delicious.
Got my feet down. Delicious.
I'll take this.
Oh, can I have the salt? Did anybody bring any cream?
Did you see what happened last night? There were fireworks everywhere.
Yeah. It was amazing. But it didn't give me any sleep.
Yeah.
I'm still tired.
Maybe we should do fireworks on your birthday, Prezi. I'll take some soda.
It's my birthday next, did you realize?
Oops, sorry, Chick.
So maybe you should do it on my birthday.
Dinner's finished for me. I'm gonna do the dishes.
Well, I'm gonna have some buns and then have do the dishes.
Yeah, some of the dishes.
I ate all of the gummies because they were so good.
Okay, I'm gonna go and put the dishes in the sink now.
Me too, I'll help.
Me too. I need to put all the dishes away. That's what a helpful sister does. These sausages have to go to waste now because there's 2 ends left of everything, and I'm gonna put this in there.
There's still some soda left. We can put it in the fridge.
Oh no!
I want to sit here for a bit. Just making your bed.
My hair.
Ooh.
I'm gonna watch for a bit.
Ow!
Wobbly wobbly.
Wake up!
I'm
She's
just
not
watching her for a bit.
She's not in contact.
The dishes are done.
We need to put these 2 inside.
I'm getting a bit tired. I think it's time to go to bed because tomorrow we're fishing.
2.
Everybody dance.
Finally, in the shower. It's peace and quiet. Need to take a shower. Quick thing. And then open. And then take off my clothes.
He sings in the shower.
I'm done. Now, can you please not look?
I watch Prezi watch TV. And I'm out.
You can look now.
I'm in my outfit. So, now, time to brush my teeth. I'm going next. This. Oh, wait, I have to wait in line, don't I? No, this is my face, everybody. And then brush. Brush. Done. Then I put on my nighttime cream. This is my face, everybody. Nighttime cream. Oopsies. Then I brush my hair because I don't want knots. That's what then brush. This is what a sensible person does. Then we put this away. Hi. I'm done. Don't look at me when I'm getting out. Just apply the cream. Hello. Cream. I'm done. Brush my teeth. Did that twice around. I'm done. I got my hand. Yep. I'm gonna take a shower now. And I'm gonna do my brushing my teeth. Why is my toothbrush in there? Put some shifty song. It's done. Let me just put that on. It's time to brush my teeth. Time to put on some nighttime cream. Wait, there's no such thing as nighttime cream. There's just such thing as cream. I've taken my shower and I'm in my towel. Move! I'm going now. Okay, I'm done. Let's put it back. I need to also brush my hair. That's what any person does. Do my fringe first. The back hair. Let's just put that in a little bit. It's time to climb up the ladders and go to bed. Good night. Good night. I see your hand. Good night. We have school tomorrow. It could be a dream day. Ready? Rise and shine. We're going fishing. Washed up. Then out I come. And out we come. Wow, the water. I want to put my hand in the water. It feels so nice. Now, I get the boat out. Get it out. You know how to take out boats, do you? Look at our cool boat. Our fishing rods. Which one? Hey, I want the blue. I'll take the yellow. I'll take the pink. Let's go fishing. Holding our fishing rods. Quick, into the boat. Ah! I will make it on time. We're on the boat. I want to sit down. Oh dear me. Everybody stand up. I want to catch fish. I will catch fish. This boat of ours is really nice. Go fishing. Come on, I bet there's some fish. Any fish. I bet something's heavy in here. I got a fish. It's just seaweed. Guys, I got fish. How many? One. No.
a sardine.
It's a sardine. But there's one which is really weird. Oh wait, it's a tuna. Yeah, it's a tuna. Okay, let's go home feeling victorious.
Okay. Today.
Yeah, first, usually when you go to beaches, it goes like... let's get back home quickly. Power speed. There's nothing to that. Power speed. Ouch. Look at this beautiful grass. And so these gumballs.
Where did you find that from?
Stashed somewhere. In my secret candy place. 1 second, I need to get some stuff. I'm gonna take out little candy and see which one I get. I'm just lying down on the green glass. I got a red gumball. Let's eat some fish now. We need to cook it. I just had my... We've cooked the fish.
Oh.
Have you seen...
Want some fish?
I'll take this fish. Stop putting it on my mouth. Delicious tuna is the diamond in the sky. Don't say twinkle, twinkle, little. Let's leave over here. Bye.